Did you know that one accountant's courage to speak up saved thousands of people's retirement money? Quincy Chen was just doing her job at Quest Communications when she found something terrible. The company bosses were lying about money they made from fake equipment sales. They wanted their stock price to look good before big meetings with investors. At first, her bosses tried to keep Quincy quiet. They promised her a big promotion if she just looked the other way. But Quincy realized something awful. This lie was stealing money from thousands of workers' retirement accounts. So Quincy made a brave choice. She secretly copied all the proof and gave it to federal investigators. She knew this could destroy her career in the phone company world, but doing the right thing paid off. 6 executives went to jail. The company paid $2.4 billion in penalties. Quincy got $1.8 million from the government for speaking up. Today, she's the chief compliance officer at a Fortune 500 company. They hired her specifically because of her integrity. Sometimes being brave really does pay off.